So now I'm going to show you how you can actually install this multi-calendar appointment booking bot. All you have to do is go into your AI agents and click on Conversation AI and click Create Agent and then select Create Prompt Based Bot. In here, select Marketplace Templates and then click Continue. And then search for multi-calendar smart booking bot and you can see it is here. So you click on that and then it will open up. All you have to do now is to click install. But before we go there, let me walk you through the agents that are here. So the first one is the general AI receptionist. This is the main agent that is going to redirect people to the right appointment booking bots. Then you have appointment bot team member 1. So this would book an appointment in team member 1's calendar. And then you have team member 2 and team member 3. So these are the 3 appointment booking bots and then the main AI receptionist bot. Then you also have a backup bot. You don't have to worry too much about it. It is actually added just to get the custom values properly. So we don't really look into backup bot. All you have to worry about is general AI receptionist, booking bot number 1, 2, and 3. And once everything is done, click here to install and then allow and install. And this would install all the 4 bots into your account. You can see successfully installed. And now you can close this and then you refresh this page and you come back to look at the agent list and then you can see all the agents are installed properly. And now what we need is to update some of the custom values. To do that, let's go to settings and open up calendars. So you open this calendar settings and then you go into custom values and then you can see all the custom values are already added in here. And out of these custom values, we have to update the values related to the team member and their calendar ID. So let's first update the team member name. So here you find team member 1 name. So you click update and give the name of your team member 1. So if you go to calendars, you would find a few calendars here and 1, 2, 3. So let's select the first one here and then you go back and update the calendar ID for team member 1. And you do the same for team member 1, 2, and 3. So I have updated the names of team member 1, 2, and 3. And I have also updated the calendar ID for each of the team member. And what is required now is the private integration key. So to create a private integration key, you go to private integrations, click here, and then create a new integration, give this a name, and click next. And here select the scopes that are required to book an appointment, which are edit, view, edit calendar, and view and edit calendar events. So if you want to add more, you can, but for now we just need these 4 scopes. Click create and then you get this private integration token. Copy that and you go back to your custom values, add the custom value for private integration key. You go here and what you have to do is add bearer space the key and click update. So that's all you need to do in custom values. And now let's go to our agents and set 01 general AI receptionist as the primary agent. If it is not set as primary agent, please do so. So go here and select as primary. It's already set as primary, so I don't have to change it. But if you have other agents already running, you probably want to set this as primary so that you can test it out. So now we are ready to test it out. So let's go to sites and set up a chat widget if you don't have one. All you have to do is select live chat and set this up. And if you want to, you can customize it, but I'm not going to do that. Now my chat widget is ready. So if I go to website and I'm gonna select a chat widget and then save it. So this is now ready. So if I go and select here, okay, and I'm gonna ask when is the earliest appointment available. And now it is asking me for any preference. I'll say anyone is fine. So now you can see tomorrow Rick is available. Then I can also ask okay, anyone on the 30th? Sorry. So now 30th Jane is available. So now, okay, let's go with Jane on 30th. So now you can see I have got availability for Rick and Jane, and if I want to book with Jane, I can go ahead and book my appointment. So this is how it works. So please test it out. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.